A tile shower can look beautiful when it's finished and still have problems hiding underneath. By the time you see cracked grout, loose tile, or water damage, repairs can become expensive. Here are 5 mistakes homeowners should watch for before they're covered up. Mistake 1. Poor floor preparation. Before the shower system is installed, the floor needs to provide proper support and meet the requirements of the system. If a shower pan doesn't sit correctly, it can affect the tile layout, cuts, grout joints, and finished appearance. A successful shower starts with proper preparation. Mistake 2. Walls that aren't flat, plumb, and square. Before backerboard and waterproofing are completed, the framing should be evaluated and corrected where necessary. Tile doesn't straighten crooked walls. Poor preparation can lead to uneven grout joints, awkward cuts, excessive buildup, and corners that don't line up. Mistake 3. Improper waterproofing. Tile and grout are not the waterproofing system. A shower needs an appropriate waterproofing assembly installed correctly, including seams, corners, penetrations, transitions, and connections. Once the tile is installed, these critical details disappear from view. Mistake 4. Inadequate mortar coverage. Proper mortar coverage is critical in a shower. The correct mortar, trowel, application technique, and coverage all matter. Wet area installations generally require at least 95% mortar contact with proper support and minimal voids. Installers should periodically remove a tile to verify coverage before continuing. Mistake 5. Choosing the wrong materials. A beautiful tile isn't necessarily right for every shower. Natural stone may require more maintenance than porcelain. Tile size, shower dimensions, slope, drain location, grout joint requirements, and even color should be considered. Grout matters too. A quality, high-performance grout can improve performance and make maintenance easier. The biggest takeaway is that many decisions determining whether a shower lasts decades before you ever see the finished tile. Floor preparation, wall preparation, waterproofing, mortar coverage, material selection. Once these things are covered up, correcting them can become difficult and expensive. If you're planning a tile or stone project and want independent, professional guidance, visit Home Tile & Stone.